Good evening, traders. This is the Bearded Trader here doing a recap of today's trades. This building $500 into $100,000 over the next 100 days. It was another green day. It was good, building the foundation dollar by dollar. Goal is to get to $1,000 by Wednesday. That'll be the first full week. And we should be able to do that. Have another great day tomorrow. That'll definitely put us over the top. Do have some platform fees coming out tomorrow morning for the month of October. So this, I think it's $104 coming out tomorrow. So it is what it is, man. I know I'm going to end up switching to a different account probably over the next week or two. Some people told me about TraderNet. I just have to do some more research on them and see if it's a good fit. If it is, hey, I'll get rid of some of these fees. And that's the biggest thing as a beginner trader. We have to limit our fees and commissions because that's where that takes our profit out. The more money we can keep in our pocket, the bigger our account can grow. So today was a cool day. Had a big winner on ECYT. First, though, I'm gonna go over this little loser on VERI. Just a bad trade on my part. I was expecting, let me move this out the way. I had an entry right here around 51.79, and I was expecting it to continue to push above this first 1 minute candle up to possibly 53 was my target. Well, it didn't do that. Fell back down, bounced off of this 15 period moving average, then fell through. Ended up taking a small loss, got out around 50.30, which at the very end of the day is probably a trade I should not have taken, just for the simple fact of the account size. Tying up that much money for 40-50 shares, it's probably not really worth it looking at it hindsight. So I will try to stick to just stocks between $3 and possibly no more than $25. That'll be my plan moving forward and go from there. Big winner today, like I said, was ECYT, which I think a lot of other traders had good profit on it. However, it was a trade that came real late in the day for me based off of the margin requirements for SureTrader. You can't use your margin if a stock is not over $3. So I actually had to wait. I had to wait a while before I could actually get into this trade. This thing had already moved, I think $1, $2 before I was actually even able to get in it, just for the fact, I couldn't trade it yet. Well, let me tell you, I could trade it, but I wanted to use it on margin just to buy more shares. So I had to wait for a break above this $3 range. I had a big move early in the morning all the way up here to 273, 290, and then right here we had a little resistance. So I figured, hey, if it breaks above $3, I'll take a long position. I got long at 308 and roughly 800 shares. Got our volume spike, lets me know, hey, other people are stepping in. That's a spot I want to step in. And what happens next? The stock continues to climb. We get trapped in above the support area. Basically the door closes behind us, and the stock continues to climb. So that was a good setup. People took profits early around 11:30. Stock just traded sideways. It didn't really break any lower. Kind of stuck to this 15 period moving average, and then once it broke above this $2.99, $3, I bought right here at 308. So half the position right here at 334. And then sold the rest right here before the close, roughly around 367. So stock did push higher. However, some of the restrictions with SureTrader, you can only do a 2-to-1 margin at nighttime. So I just went ahead and closed it out. It's not worth it for me. But those of you who are in it, man, stick with it. As long as it's it's above your stop or whatever your parameters are, stick with it. It looks good. It was a good trade. There actually was a lot of good setups today. I know it was a good short play on Zyogenics that I definitely wanted to get into, but like I said, due to the trying to build this account up, not having all the resources available right now. We have other opportunities in the future. Right now, it's just about getting on base. Gain $100 here, $100 there, get to that $1,000 mark, and then from there, scale it up. Gain $500 a day, $1,000 a day, and that's how you build your account. We can't swing for the fences every day. Right now, it's just building this house brick by brick. Lay the foundation, then put the walls up, then do the electrical, do the plumbing, do the painting, and then sit down and have your dinner inside your house. And that's what trading is about. I hope you all had a great day, profitable day. Look back over your trade, see if you can do anything better, see if you can do anything differently, become a better trader. Iron sharpens iron. If there's anything you need from me or any questions you may have for me, definitely let me know. Vice versa, if I have any questions, I'll shoot them to you all as well. Y'all have a great day. I'm the Bearded Trader.